Hello! It's quarantine time and everybody's at home. Today, I'll be giving you 10 things to do at home as a filmmaker. First things first, with all this time on your hands, what you need to do is you need to work on your passion projects. And what I mean by that is everything that you couldn't work on while you were working, you need to focus on right now. So if you have a script that you want to write, if you have a film idea that you want to come up with, if you've been working back to back for so long and you really want to just change up what you're working on and maybe, I don't know, create a short film or something like that, now is the time to get everything ready so that when this quarantine is over, we can film. Second thing that you can do from home is, of course, reading books. As good as YouTube and online learning is, it never comes close to the experience that you can get out of reading a book. This book is written by someone else who's passed through these experiences that you want to learn from, and it offers you a great and in-depth look on the topics you want to learn about. The third thing you can do is clean the hell out of your kit. We don't usually have tons of time in between shoots and on set to clean all our gear, really meticulously. But now, with all this time on our hands, clean that gear well, so the next time you go on a shoot, everything is nice and shiny. Fourth thing, watch more films. I'm pretty sure everybody's doing it already, but yeah, watch more films, documentaries, short films, music videos, anything that you could learn from, get inspired from, and just to see what successful people in the industry are up to. Fifth thing, research the internet as much as you can. Check out the latest tech releases in the industry, cameras, the lenses, the lighting, everything that you want to learn about. We rarely get a chance to actually catch up with this industry because they create something new every single day. So now is your chance. Number 6, grab that camera and check every angle in your house. You're bored, you don't have anything to do. So just turn on that camera and search for weird, cool angles that you could find around your house. This will not only keep you busy, but it will keep your eye sharp for the next job you're on. Alright, now number 7, you guys are probably gonna hate me, but keep on exercising. The last thing that you want to do is just lay down on the couch, watch TV, and just shove junk food in your face all the time. You need to keep moving, you need to keep fit, because if you don't, and in 1 month you're on set, all the time on your legs, you're gonna really feel it. Number 8 is an easy and fast one. It's update the firmware on your camera, on your lighting, and even update your editing software. And don't only update them, but also check the new features and try them out. Now number 9, everyone wants to do. Go online and put together a wish list of all the gear you want. The last thing you can do at home that can completely change your life is watch all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. And until next time, CineStuff out.